Okay, I'm going to show you guys an example of the 777 method for money. And again, the numbering of the paper is still optional. I'm just doing it so it's easier for you guys to see what's going on. Okay, so instead of using a specific person here, we're going to be using our name. So instead of saying John Doe, we're going to say Jane Doe because that's going to be our name right now. We're going to write that 7 times. Okay, and then another thing, whenever I'm manifesting for myself, I find it helpful to talk about myself in the third person. And so instead of being like, I attract money, I like to say, money comes to Jane Doe easily. Next, I'm going to write that Jane Doe is getting richer by the second. And after you've written all of that stuff 7 times each, you write a description of kind of what you want to come from your manifestation. You don't have to write this more than once. You just have to write it one time, and then I'm going to come back here in a second and show you what I wrote. Excuse my mistake here, but I wrote, it's crazy how quickly money comes to Jane Doe. Jane never struggles for money. Jane has more money than she could ever imagine. Money seems to be magnetic to her. And then I write thank you 3 times every single time I manifest just to express my gratitude. And like I said in my previous video, I like to color code my pens and markers to my manifestation. So you definitely don't have to use green if you don't want to. I just do because whenever I think of money, I think of like green or gold or something like that. And just in case you're seeing this video and not my last video, you don't have to do this at any certain time of the day. You can do it however much you want to or however little you want to. And it doesn't matter what you do with the paper afterwards. You can fold it and put it under your pillow if you want to, or you can burn it if you want to, or you can do nothing. That's what I do. I don't do anything with my paper, but it's up to you. I like to make this method as specific to yourself as much as possible because I feel like it works better that way. So just do whatever you think is best. Come back and let me know how it works for you, and good luck.